Hi guys, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Altar mini, which is part of my boxes under $20 series. It's pretty heavy, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Check it out. The Witch's Altar, the Elements box. I don't want to look at the information yet. I like to be surprised. Alright. Himalayan rope incense, sandalwood. Cool. Holy Beautiful You Elements Connection. Oh, Elements Collection, I apologize. So I want to open this without damaging this. But, oh, it was actually easy. Oh, great. It was really easy. Okay, good. Because I'm awkward, guys. Okay, this one's Earth. It smells good. I want to say like cedar, maybe? I love the smell of cedar. This one's Air. More yellow. I think this is lavender, maybe? Fire. Ooh, cinnamon. These are really cool. Water. I can't identify that. Oops, and it kind of spilled on me. Ooh, let me wipe that. That was probably my fault. Oh. Okay, very cool. I'm gonna put that kind of back. Oh, my wrist is killing me. Jeez. Okay, so that's really cool. Alright, this has got like a little thing here. And let's see what this is. Oh, cool. It's like a little terracotta plate. I mean, oh. Maybe like that? I don't know. Pardon me. Holy Beautiful You, Essential Oils, Bath and Body. The Elements Connection, Earth, Air, Fire, and Water. So that's these. Earth, the grounding blend of patchouli, cypress, and copiaba brings you an internal balance. So I thought cedar, but it does smell really good. Air, the enticing blend of lavender, sandalwood, and wild orange brings about a feeling of lightness while reducing any anxiousness you may have. Fire, feel the power, strength, and energy from this blend of cinnamon, orange, and clove. Also promotes success and passion. And water is Lang Lang and jasmine. Lang Lang to balance the masculine and feminine, with jasmine to captivate the senses and awake and invoke feelings of passion. So that's really cool. Really, really cool. The Herb Prescription, discovering the healing nature, the healing power of nature with grounding practices for every season. That's pretty cool. I love getting a book. Cool. I love this. I haven't heard of it before, but I'm definitely going to check it out. So, this box, that's really cool. Let me pull up how much the price was, and also, let me read you the insert. So, let me see. Hold on. So this box was $19.95, and honestly, that's really good price. Let's get everything together, and then let me read you what the insert says. Included in this month's box, Spirit, the Elements collection from Holy Beautiful You. 4 essential oil blends focused on 4 elements. Retail $34.99. Earth, the Earth's Prescription by Laura Conover, MD. Be sure to visit our website for your access to the extras. Retail $17.95. Air, rope incense burner and additional ropes. Oh, that's cool. Wow. I've never had one of these. That's really neat. And I guess you dangle the rope incense. See how it has like, you have this and then you have this little hook here. I don't even have one. I've never gotten one in any box that I've ever gotten, so that's really neat. Rope incense burner and additional ropes, value $15.75. Fire, warm heart ritual soy candle. Ooh, I think I don't have a candle. Or did I get a candle and I missed it? Oh, I'll just send her a little message because I don't think I got a candle in here. I mean, I would have seen it. So warm heart ritual soy candle by Lit Rituals. And so we'll email her about that. And water, Life is Simple water bottle. Retail value $8. I didn't get a water bottle either. I wonder I wonder if I'm missing something. So I'm definitely going to send a little email to get a little bit of clarification, because this has been pretty cool. Even without the candle and the water bottle, I felt like it was still very neat and something that I had not experienced before. Definitely a different feel type box. So that's really cool. I just have to kind of figure out if the other stuff was supposed to be here and if she can send it to me. But very cool. I think a good value for the items for $19.95. And I will keep you guys posted. Hopefully I have all the items together by the monthly side-by-side to show. And so I guess I'm going to cut it short because I don't have anything else to say. It's kind of short and to the point. Love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.